love. Those sunglasses are nice. Oh, sorry. Hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. My name is Christina, and if this is the first time you are tuning in, welcome. I hope you are all well wherever you are in the world. So it's that time of month again, guys. It's the subscription box. Yes, Glossybox and look fantastic. And I've just realised that I've killed my plant. It growed so nicely and it's just dead. Like, shriveled, dead. So sorry. I'll feed it, it'll be fine. Anyway, let's get back to why we are here today. And you guys want to know what's in the Glossybox. July's Glossybox is all about getting ready for your holidays. And obviously, they've got the lovely card that they always present the products in. So you get 5 products. And these are for what you could get to take on holiday with you. So this is the holiday haul, and they filled iconic pink box with 5 holiday essentials, including multi-purpose hair oil, a luxurious cleanser and hydrating self tanner. Ooh, simple slip. These travel blah blah blah. Oh, and there's 20 hidden tickets in our July boxes. If you find, you'll be the lucky winner of either a fig leaf or skinny dip worth voucher for £50. Let's get digging to see if we can find it. Well, no, I wasn't the winner as usual. So let's start off with what we have here. So we have a peel off face mask from Boots, Tea Tree and Witch Hazel. This is a deep clean and tightens pore and helps remove blackheads. I think I'm going to give this a try. This is the travel size, and it's worth £3.50. Full size is £4, and that's Boots' own. Then next up we have a cleansing foam from Movica, Budapest. So I'm sure I've seen this one before in the boxes. So I've got this already. So I'm not going to try it. I'm going to put it in the giveaway box, so one of you lovely people can give it a try. And that is full size is £52, and this is worth £18. So if you want to get your hands on that, then leave a comment below, and I will get it shipped out to you. So the first person to comment "I want" will have the product shipped out to them. So the next up is the obviously Palmer's coconut formula. I love this. It's a natural bronze, so it gradually tans for all skin tones. Oh, I like the sound of that. So this is the travel size, and it's worth £2.49. Full size is £5.99. And okay, so you can get 2. You get this one, or you get the other body lotion, and that's for gradual tanning moisturizer, whereas this is a tan. Okay, what else? So basically, you want a tan, use this. Anyway, next out this amazing funky mascara from Manacada Cosmetics, and this is retailing at £23. Oh, gotta give this a try. And this is the full size product. And then next up we have a Moroccan oil treatment. So this is for the hair, and I'm really looking forward to trying this. Use a small amount throughout damp or dry hair. Style as usual. Warning, use. Should we put it on? So let's put this through my hair. I think I need more than a small amount, don't you think? It smells nice. I've not long washed my hair, so it's a bit frizzy dry, au natural. Don't know what's going on with my hair today, but whatever. This is me. Yeah, mom day today. Not really bothering with myself, apart from just washing my hair, having a shower and doing video. So that is all of the products for Glossybox this month. Not bad. There's a few that I'm going to keep, In fact, I'm only going to get rid of the one because I've already got one. So this is £10. I'll leave all the links in the comments below so you guys can go and check out Glossybox. I love the subscription boxes because it really does help you to venture out and check out products that you probably never heard of or are so expensive that you can't get your hands on them. I am loving the colour. This is very summery. It's gorgeous. It feels very heavy and I do love Look Fantastic. This one you get 6 products inside. And literally, I just love everything about it. I mean, there's a lovely little quote inside. The mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. And it is so true. It really is true. So don't forget to look after yourselves, guys. So going by that is obviously all about looking after yourselves and getting some me time because we all need that. Obviously, you get the Elle magazine as standard. I absolutely love the Elle magazine. I'm loving the yellow, very summery. And then you get the little catalogue to tell you exactly, you get a sneak peek of what's happening next month. But this is the hydration edition, so this is about looking after yourself and what's in the box. So let's get started. I'm loving the colour. So first of all, we have the Elemis Hydro Balance Day Cream, and this is retailing at £19.10. And I'm looking forward to giving that a try because I do love my skincare and I will try anything. And it's got hydro balance in, so it's literally going to keep my skin nice and hydrated. Next up, we have the Aromatherapy Associate. So this is a body gel and this is worth $5.99 and it's a refreshing and invigorating wash. Experience the refreshing and invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary and juniper to even out skin tone and texture and to maintain a healthy microcirculation. I hate grapefruit, but I'll give it a try. Ooh, sorry. Eye brightening mask, firming, and it's got hyaluronic acid in, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. I'm going to give this a try, and this is worth £12. So I'm going, and this is from Vita Masks. Next up, we have Glove. And this is a makeup remover for all skin types. And it's reusable for 1 to 3 months. And it's a complex skincare tool, 5-in-1. And all you do is just add water. So it's basically a glove. You fill it up with, you wet it. And then you just rub it over and cleanse your skin. And it's on the go hydro cleanser. And this is worth £11.90. We have the Neobe Detox Micellar Illuminating Micellar Water. Is it micellar or micellar? Tell me in the comments, is it cha or sa? I feel like I'm doing a phonics lesson with the boys. So yeah, I'm dying to try some micellar water. I nearly picked it up yesterday. It was half price in the supermarket. It was the Garnier one. I've seen quite a few Instagrammers and YouTubers use that one. I went to pick it up, but I remembered that Look Fantastic had it in the box, so I'm going to try this out. The Neobe Illuminating Micellar Water, and it's worth £11. How to use: apply on a cotton wool pad and use to remove impurities and makeup. I'm definitely going to give this a go and I will let you know. The last product is the Ico Fat Eye Stick. This is £12, and this is to create intense colour and glossy finish with the Ico Fat Eye Stick. Accentuate the eyes with this chubby crayon that delivers long wearing and highly pigmented colour with an easy to use twist design, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see the colour. Oh, it's like a khaki gold, isn't it? That is nice. And this is, so you can apply it as an eyeliner or blend across the lid for a diffused look. Might give that a go and see what I think. And there you have it, guys. That is Look Fantastic this month. You get 6 products in this, and this is worth £13. I'll leave all the links below so you guys can go and check it out. Like I said, they're a fab way to get to know products and brands I've never even heard of before. So go and give it a go, and you can cancel at any time. You know, you don't have to pay any charges to get out of it. Just cancel whenever you want. Order 1 box and then go from there. But I recommend you get at least 2 or 3 so you can get a vibe of what you're going to get into. into the things. Sorry, I'm really needing my coffee today. Shopping I did this week was from Selfridges, and they sent me a lovely little sample of the Hourglass primer. So this is another one that I'm gonna I'm gonna review. I've been dying to get my hands on Hourglass products, and I'm gonna try the primer because I'm still trying to find a primer that suits my face. So I'm gonna give that a go and go from there. So I just love the little touch that they've got. You know, this is what you call customer service. First time buyer, I definitely go again. And I suppose they're a big brand, so they've got to look after their clients. So in here I have, it's from the Korean beauty section, which is, I think it's exclusive to Selfridges online. And I don't know if you've seen, but quite a few YouTubers I've seen these around and Instagrammers have been using this face mask. I've got the Hydro Lift to give me some nice hydration because I feel that my skin can be very dry sometimes, so this is good. And I just love the fact that it's an injection and you inject it into here, and what they do basically is if you squirt it and take the mask out, you're going to get a better effect of using the mask by doing this. And it's from the Uzu company, and I'm going to do this on my Instagram, so stay tuned. I got that one, and then I got the petal one. So you press that and there's real petals in there, and I'm really looking forward to that. So basically I reckon you press that and then it squeezes itself into the mask. When you open it, it'll all be there ready. So I'm going to do some videos on these because I'm really looking forward to it. This is the Golden Snail 24 karat gold hydrogel mask, and this one is a knit mask. And oh my god, the instructions of how to apply it, you kind of like pull it onto your face, I think. Yeah, I'm excited to see what this one's going to be about. And this is a pink cactus lift mask. Yeah, doesn't sound on this one, but anyway, don't forget to go and check out me on all my other social medias, are all linked below. I'm mainly on Instagram because I love Instagram, so don't forget to come and say hello, and yeah, you'll see behind the scenes and stuff like that. And that's it. I hope I haven't babbled on too much. Like I said, I'm not your normal YouTuber. I'm getting the hang of things. Please be nice, and you know, if I can help in any way by inspiring you to get up and go and do something or gain a bit of confidence back, please don't be mean. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.